Well, what did you guys want to talk about this time?
I think she's onto us.
Does this involve
Me? Actually, yes, we might need you for this to work.
Don't tell me you have ulterior motives.
I don't. I have moral and promising editing choice motives. Whereas this is what you've decided to do with the outline, and you clearly know what it looks like. And yet you've done this without my permission.
I asked Miss Introvert, and she's the boss, so that counts for something, right?
Oh yeah, I'm in charge of you. Can you guys be quiet? I want to write my story now. E, get out of my chair. No, we are not finished. And no, you are not the boss when it comes to the outline. In fact, that would be me. The outline is a clear set of instructions and guidelines, and changes are welcome if brought to me first and if the rough draft is getting boring to write, as we've discussed.
Which is clearly what happened.
But this little change was not run by me before the original plans were altered. What are you going to do about the scene at the end of your book that involves this very character?
Trash it. Maybe turn it into a ghostly flashback. Something tear-jerking.
I do love a bit of pathos.
You love a lot of pathos.
I do.
Me too.
I know. Guys, who is the character in question? I'm actually kind of curious. Also, thanks everybody for the chair. It was getting a little bit awkward standing up like that. Also, this closet is always open for organization.
Shut up, procrastination.
Never. Speaking of changes to the set and costume, you weren't wearing that lace last time we had a meeting. Inspiration.
I wasn't, was I? I guess I got distracted.
Not as distracting as this closet. Also, did you not notice my ribbon? Shut up, procrastination. Again. Never. You will shut up.
Jedi mind trick.
Aw, E, I thought you didn't care about that stuff. I don't. Where are all these Star Wars references coming from? The last meeting we had was packed full of them.
Are we not fans of the franchise? Also, who's the one with the Star Wars poster right in front of them?
Well, I am not the person who decorated this room, and you know it, and your Pinterest board proves it.
Nice alliteration!
Thank you. Now, can we get back to the problem with the character's story arc? Why? I already made the call, and I'm the boss. I, for one, think you need to revisit your choice. It's just too soon. Also, maybe run it by a couple of your writing friends. Maybe they have something to say about it that'd be similar to my advice. But I don't know anyone. Yeah, that is a good point. Why are we even talking about writing anyway? Closet cleanup, anybody? Marvel Marathon. Okay, actually stop. No, we need you to convince Inspiration and Miss Introvert that they need to stop with their terrible creative choices. You actually need me for something? Okay, how can I help? Right, well, Inspiration changed the clear guidelines of the outline by, and it pains me to say it, killing off a character before their story arc was completed. No! Yes, so you understand the severity of the situation. Oh heavens, how could I not? It's awful. Who would do something like— yeah, you got me, I don't care. Can we do something else?
No!
Okay, jeez. Can we not kill the character off? Pretty please? Happy? Ugh, seriously? I'm with her. Why?
Because it's a plot twist. It's exciting and sad.
So sad. But their character arc.
It isn't fulfilled. That's the beauty of it. And the rest of the story is about fulfilling your dreams. It's one of the themes that we've talked about here. Look at this.
What is this?
A poster board of why this character should be killed off.
This is too small to be a poster board. It's literally a piece of paper.
Must you nitpick everything, E? We're in the writing mind. If you want it to look like a poster board, then imagine it like it's a poster board. Duh. Also, if I added too many colors, you can imagine those out too.
No, you worked hard on it. And it's Pride Month. Now let's see, your first point is because it's sad. And you added an example of air—
Do not spoil it! Viewers who haven't seen Attack on Titan should see it sometime in their lifetime. Read it silently. AOT watchers know what we're talking about, though. In the second part of the third season, with a certain blonde survey—
That's enough, Inspiration. Besides, the point we're trying to make pretty much applies to every single character in Attack on Titan. Every single dead character, that is.
Very true.
Give up on your dreams and die. Oh. Want to watch it over again for the third time this year? Shinzo Sasageo. No, I am getting tired of that show.
Well, I'm not. Pathos!
Pathos! And the scene in the story where the character comes back, our character, mind you, not Attack on Titan's character, comes back. It's a very crucial scene to the story and ties up a lot of loose ends. What are we going to do about that?
Perhaps we could have a scene involving the character and the main character before this character's death?
That's an idea. No, but their conversation wouldn't make any sense because nothing is solved. And you're making them die right after the climax. That's true.
Maybe we could reframe the scene a bit to give it a bit more symbolism to the plot. Like, I don't know, some kind of warning for the main character that the character who dies makes for them, and it kind of foreshadows it. Something like that. I don't know.
That could work. Maybe something about self-sacrifice? Okay, that could work. Miss Introvert, are you writing this down? Oh, sorry.
Yes, get that down before I misplace the idea.
Okay, we have a good reason. And I'm sorry I didn't come to you sooner, E. It's fine. There's a time for editing and a time to be creative. Because we're still in the rough draft stage, I should probably give inspiration a bit more wiggle room so that you both can be creative.
And I'll make sure to come to you with all of my creative ideas in the future from now on. But this communication really does work. We came up with even better ideas than the original ones we had.
Yeah, and it took all of us working together to solve this problem. I guess talking to yourself is beneficial. I'm sorry, the old Aaron can't come to the phone right now. Why? Oh, 'cause he's a bird.
Ugh, stop, I'm trying to write.
It was a clever gag, though, right?